The ingredients that you will need to make the nôm cốm. You will need glutinous rice flour. Peanut, mung bean, shredded coconut, coconut milk, salt, palm sugar, regular sugar, white sesame seed, and black sesame seed, Khmer. And you will also need some banana leaf. The first thing that we're going to start with is going to do the filling for the dessert. And we are going to start by roasting the peanut and the sesame seed. I'm going to start by roasting the sesame seed first because it's very fast. And you are going to cook this for 3 minutes. And you want your stove to be on medium-high heat. So it's been 3 minutes. I'm going to remove it. And you're just gonna let that sit aside. Next, I am going to smash the sesame seed in my mortar so it can release the fragrance of the sesame seed. I just roughly grind the sesame seed. I didn't put it in there for a long time. So now I'm done with my sesame seed. After you remove the sesame seed, next we are going to roast the peanut. I have been roasting these peanuts for about 5 minutes or so, and now I'm gonna turn off the stove. And then you're just going to let this sit aside until it's cooled down. Next, I am going to cook the mung bean. We are going to cook this like how we cook rice. Okay, be careful because this thing does overflow. When this overflow, you want to open the cover and let the liquid evaporate a little bit. And you can let the water evaporate. And after the water evaporates, then we're going to put the cover back on. So most of the liquid have evaporated. Now I'm going to reduce my heat to medium and put the lid on. Once after the mung bean is cooked, we are going to smash it. So once the peanut has cooled down completely, we're going to remove the shell. After I remove the shell, now I'm going to crush it in a mortar. And we're just gonna roughly crush this. We don't want it too crushed. Okay, so I have finished crushing my peanut. And then you're gonna put light, and you're just gonna leave this to the side after you're done crushing the peanut. Okay, right now I am dissolving the palm sugar. And then I will show you how to make the dessert filling. I forgot to tell you, I did add in 1 cup of water in here. Eventually the sugar's gonna break down. And we're gonna continue mixing this until all the palm sugar dissolves completely. So after the sugar dissolves, now next I'm going to add in the coconut milk. And I'm going to continue to mix this coconut milk until it evaporates a little bit. So I have been letting this coconut milk sit in the pan for about 7 minutes. So I put in the mung bean into the wok already. So now I'm just going to continue mixing it. And then after this kind of evaporate a little bit, I'm going to add in the shredded coconut. Oh, before I put in the shredded coconut, I'm going to add in the salt. So after you put in the mung bean, you go with and you're going to mix this until it becomes like a thick consistency like this. And we're going to continue to let this simmer for about 20 minutes on low heat. So after 20 minutes, I'm going to crank up my heat to medium. And then I'm going to add in the coconut. Make sure you stir it constantly so it doesn't, the bottom doesn't get burned. And then after you mix for about 1 minute or so, you're gonna put in your the sesame seed. And then you can continue mixing. You go with the it. You go with our smooth thick. And we continue to mix this until most of the water evaporates. So it's going to turn hardened. You go with smooth thick. I must do slowly and run. Doesn't that look good, guys? Well, that's what I'm So after mixing the sesame seed for about 1 minute, I'm going to add in the peanut. But top dân cô đông ngô mà 2 mình tí hết dân đặt ở đây cho tàu. And you just continue mixing this. Hay dân cô mà tàu lọc đi về tàu lọc tàu. Very slowly right, đập lên. So you're gonna mix this for maybe 1 minute or so, and then your filling is ready. Bây giờ cô phải 3 minute để đập lên. So I finished rinsing and cleaning the banana leaf. So what I did, I just rinsed the banana leaf under cold water and just use a dry paper towel and just dry it and cut it about 7 to 8 inch of the length and width, or you could be smaller than that. A lot of you man liêng slick check hay chut kada về kada smooth chut or smooth hay nhom cắt về và hay pumper to 8 inch. Okay, next we are ready to mix the dough. So I am just using 1 bag. So I'm going to put my flour into the mixing bowl and that masao cho chan lightning. And then we are going to mix it with hot water. It don't have to be, it's not boiling water, it's just hot water. And you're just gonna use your hand to knead the dough. After you mix in the dough a little bit, we are going to add a little bit salt. So then I'm just going to continue to mix the dough. So after the filling has cooled down, we are going to roll it the size of a ping pong ball. But top piece no nang the chit right nang ling where do chit ba tu rip yang ni. Allow nang yang nang chop num. So next I'm going to show you how to wrap the num comb. So first we're going to spread the banana leaf with some vegetable oil, and you want to make sure you put a lot of vegetable oil so the dough doesn't stick onto the leaf. Allow nang yang kapong ta liep prain le slak kam ai num nang chop nang slak nang. So now we're going to show you how to roll the dough. First, you're going to take some dough, yung masawang thick, yung nang throw a mule, and you're going to roll it up. And then after that, you're going to flatten it, yung nang throw at the pipe. And then after that, we're going to take in the filling, yung yung snow wear, and then we're just going to close it, yung but we are check. So then you're going to put it onto your banana leaf. Actually, you're gonna dip it in the oil first. You're going to look at the cleansing. I come over chop. You bot look with your pea. So you fold in half, and you fold in half again. You bot your pea out there. How you bag home. Then you open it, and you're gonna put in the num in there, and you put in the dough in there. And then you fold the leaf in half, and then in half again. You bot with your pea. How you out there bot your pea there. And then it's going to be like a little mound, like that. Hai nôm nâng đôi chợ đục nôm chẳng riêng với đục nôm chẳng. Allow nâng dương bật to tiết, and then we can continue to do this. And after that, we're going to steam it. Okay, guys. So now I'm ready to steam the nôm. Allow nâng nhom ban big nôm hai. Allow nâng dương phong đặt về cho hỏi. And we are going to steam the num for 20 minutes. Before you steam it, make sure the waters come to a boil. Okay, it's been over 20 minutes now. The num is ready. So I'm just going to turn on the stove. ឡូវហ្នឹង20នាទីបានកន្លងទៅនំយើងឆ្អិនហើយខ្ញុំក៏បិទភ្លើង and then I'm just going to let this sit down or let it cool down ខ្ញុំទុកឲ្យនំនេះត្រជាក់សិនហើយចាំខ្ញុំបកឲ្យបងប្អូនមើល Okay everyone right now my num are done ឥឡូវហ្នឹងនំខ្ញុំឆ្អិនហើយខ្ញុំនឹងឲ្យកូនប្រុសខ្ញុំ Dylan សាកមើល Okay so go take a bite Oh chewy huh so what kind of flavor do you taste
I taste a chunk of peanut the sweet brown stuff
Okay that's a mung bean Do you taste the sesame seed
Yeah actually a little bit of sesame seed
កូនខ្ញុំថាវាអាចមានរសជាតិដឹងថាមានរសជាតិដូងមិនជាមានសណ្ដែក
It's so sticky
ហើយវាថាស្អិត He said sticky Oh Okay from 1 to 10 what number will you give that num
I rate 10 out of 10
កូនខ្ញុំឲ្យ10លេខ10នំហ្នឹង Okay thank you Dylan Okay, now my baby girl, she's gonna try the num and tell you guys how she like it or not. Okay, go Juliana. I love con say yum. We go bao yum. Kê and yum num đi. Touch my odd. But that con try yeah. Is it good? You bite the whole thing. Okay. Swallow it. Let me. Okay.
It's sticky.
It's sticky.
It's peanut.
The peanut. Is it sweet? I may. Okay. From 1 to 10, what number? Like 10. Oh, cô lại mặt đắp á?
I got the coconut.
Oh, you got the coconut. Okay. There you go, guys. Hello, nâng con pro nhóm, con sray nhóm oi nôm ní lệch đọc. Hai nôm ní chay men, masala sweat, hai I'm the mom. So, if you like my video, và on cho video nhóm, don't forget to press like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hãy complete chọn like, comment, share, hãy subscribe to bot nhóm. See you guys next time. Chúc nhớ được khỏi tiện. Chấm riêng lìa. Ốc con tràn.